Welcome to class. In today's video, I'll be changing this local Handfan to a beautiful fabric Handfan. So I have an event on Sunday and I needed to, change this to something that would look beautiful. So these are scraps that the tailor gave me from the remaining of my fabric that I made. So it is like DIY. So you're going to need a fabric that will cover the front and back of the fan. You're going to need, this is 3 inches by 34 inches. And this is 1.5 inch by, I think it's about 38 inches. Just let it be long. Then you need gum. We will be applying the gum to the fan first. Okay. Okay, I was actually scared it to be coming out from the other side, but it isn't, which is very good. So then I'm going to apply gum also to the fabric. So I'm just going to cut off the strand and then take a piece of fabric. I'm going to apply gum on it, then apply gum around this too. So what we're going to do next is to cover. So you're going to be pulling down on this. Okay. So once that is done, we're going to need the Volvo glue. And then we're going to need the 1.5 inch. So you fold it not entirely into half, just halfway, then we'll begin to wrap. Okay, like this. Place that over there. Then make sure you're applying force while you're wrapping it. So we are wrapping like downwards. So let me apply just to make sure it doesn't come loose. So once I've gotten to the edge, I'm going to fold the fabric this way. You fold the lower part to meet the one on top. Okay. I'm going to apply again. You can see how that looks neat. So I'll bring it here again. Apply gum. Okay, before I apply the bubble gum, so I'm going to cut off this. Okay. So I'm going to apply the gum at the tip, fold it in, and hold it in place. Then I'll apply gum on the corner fabric and I'll bring it down on it. Okay, so we're done with the handle. The next step is to apply gum, which I did earlier because I skipped a step. So apply gum on the surface of the fan and also on the fabric. So we're going to do that now since this is already on the fabric. It's already dried, so but to still hold. So now I'm just going to press. So when you get to this edge, just the corner bit so I can fold this in and then place it down. So I'm going to use my gum here. I'm going to use the bubble gum. So once that is done, we're going to trim. So this is what the front looks like. So we're going to repeat the same process here. So this is the fan that's been covered. The 3 by 34, 35 inches. We're going to use that to just sew around the edge, okay, so that the edge will be neat. So you see the edge neat. So it is going to be here. So I'm going to apply the gum the front and back of the corner. See, so it can hold it well. So now that we've gotten to the other end, just before you get to the corner, we'll repeat what we did at the beginning. So I'm going to take this, cut off the excess. So I'll fold this to make sure it ends here. So let me fold it again. Okay. So you fold the one side inward, second side inward. Okay. So I'm going to apply gum here and to the back. Just going to quickly place that there. So with that, we've come to the end of today's video. Alright, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.